Hello, everyone. I'm Robert Mayer. I'm the president of the Pittsburgh Association of the Deaf. I want to explain briefly why we set up a GoFundMe account. P.A.D. is in the City of Pittsburgh in the Uptown area at 1854 Forbes Avenue. Many people from the deaf community visit, family and friends, and they go to the P.A.D. to meet at the building. Many get together, old to young, doesn't matter what age. They get together for meetings, educational workshops, socialization, and fundraising. P.A.D. and the Greater Pittsburgh Community Center for the Deaf itself provides development, educational, and social support for children of all ages. We always strive to help the deaf understand the deaf community and their growing experiences. The deafblind also hold events and get-togethers. We offer many different workshops. Anyone interested in hosting a workshop is welcome. It does not matter what the subject of the workshop or who the presenter is. For example, topics can be about newborns up to experiences in adulthood. We also own the building. It's 97 years old. The club was established in 1927. We bought the building in 1965. We're the second or third owner. The roof has been giving us problems lately. We've been spending money to try to temporarily repair it. Now it's going to be changed to an A-line roof, and it'll be done by a deaf business owner. It's going to cost about $32,000, so we decided to have some fundraising and also establish a GoFundMe page. We want to keep our building available to the senior citizens and the children. We hold many children events and have to temporarily do patchwork on the roof. Now is a good time to change the roof so that it will last for 30 to 40 years. Anyone donating over $100 will automatically be recognized on the President's Circle plaque and displayed on the premises for all to see. We want a safe environment for everyone. So we hope you will consider helping us out. Thank you.